Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat AI not showing up. So guys, if you have Snapchat and want to use your AI feature and AI feature is not showing on your Snapchat, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Snapchat, and guys, after opening it you need to click on your main profile. And guys, after now I am going to see here the AI tool. So guys, now you can see I have can't find any option of AI. So guys, simply you need to click on settings, and guys, now you can see here is not option of AI. So guys, how can you get this option? So guys, simply you can get this option. So guys, first of all you need to go back, and guys, you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search your Snapchat. And guys, after searching it you need to click on Snapchat, and guys, simply you need to update your Snapchat. So guys, due to update, the AI feature is missing on your Snapchat. So guys, simply you need to update your app from here. And guys, after doing update you need to go back, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing update you need to open your Snapchat again, and guys, now you can see here is the option of search tab. So guys, simply here you need to search AI. And guys, when you search AI, so guys, you can find here the first one option, that is my AI. So guys, if you can't find AI option, then guys, simply you need to search here, and guys, after searching here you will find here the option AI. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to get this AI, and guys, you can use it smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.